Hi, welcome to this video. Today in this video, we're going to learn how you can delete all the cache from your website. So what happened that means when you are creating the website in the WordPress, like when you create website and go on and your website starts to become too slow. Means it was faster before, but now it is too slow. It is because some kinds of cache are stored in your memory, which is decreasing the site speed. So I'm going to show you how you can remove all of them, and it will help you a lot to increase the loading speed of your site, which can help you a lot to gain traffic, and you can obviously do lots of things with it. So it will help you a lot. So let's start this video. So at first, there are lots of plugins for deleting all the cache. So like there are WP Rocket, and many other plugins. So WP Rocket is the paid plugin, but we are going to focus on the free plugin. So that free plugin is WP Fastest Cache. So let me install in my website because I do not have my website. Probably my website do not have anything because it is clean install of WordPress. So if you have many things in your website, then it will impact a lot of things in your website. So let me search here. So you can search here cache and you'll get this one plugin called WP Fastest Cache by Emre Bana, and it has over 1 million plus download means, and its review is 5-star means, as you can see, it is very good. And so let me install this plugin. So we can just install this plugin. Okay, so here as you can see, it is updated 3 weeks ago means it is really updating plugin, and it is not a old plugin, it is also updating time to time. So let me activate because it's installed. So here as you can see, it is activated, and you will get one option here. When you click on this option here, lots of options. So you can just enable all of those options. At first, let me show you how you can manually delete your cache easily. So here you'll get one option in the menu bar. So here it is telling me clear all cache. So I have already told to clear all the cache that are stored in your website. So let me do that. So now all the cache is deleted. So you will not see much more effect in my website because it is clean installation. So here is one option called delete cache and minify. Just many people do not know about this option. So this option does that means when you just do lots of custom CSS on your website, then the old minified version of a CSS may be inside. So it will delete all those minified CSS. So here as you can see here, let me go to the settings. Okay, here is you can enable the cache system. Let me enable it. Here is one option called create the cache of all site automatically. You can turn on or off this setting. So sometimes it is helpful, but in the first loading of the site, it may take some time. So if the user comes and the content comes, then it may be stored on their memory, and it may increase the website speed after that. And don't show the cache version for logged in users. So you can turn on the settings or off if you want. And here is the for the mobile devices also you can turn on or off. So here is the premium feature. So here is another option called clear cache when a post or page is published. In lots of options are here. So I'm not going to explain all of those options. So you can just test those options. So here is one called delete cache. You can also delete the cache from here. So here is delete all cache. You can delete all cache file from. It is telling me you can just go to this location and delete all cache, or just click on this clear all cache, and it will delete all the cache files. So you can do this, and here in the delete, and here as you can see, you can see here the option. So it is telling that if you modify any CSS file, you have to delete modified CSS file. So you can just click on this and do from here or from this option. So here it's image optimization, which is obviously for premium, and all of those are premium. So hopefully then do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe, like, and share this video. If you want to get more tips related to WordPress to protect your site or to make a website faster, then you can obviously comment down. I try to create video on that. So thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.